friends, welcome to ProMonk channel. Today we are going to talk about one of the most stylish and powerful smartphones in the mid-range category, the Infinix Zero 30. This device has gained a lot of attention because of its premium design, strong performance, and impressive features. So let's dive deep and explore what makes this phone special. First, let's talk about the design. The Infinix Zero 30 comes with a glossy glass back and a modern camera module that instantly gives it a flagship feel. When placed on a glass table with a charging connector attached, the phone looks elegant, premium, and ready for action. The reflective finish on the back and the slim body design make it look more expensive than it actually is. Now moving to the display. The phone features a large AMOLED panel that delivers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and an immersive viewing experience. Whether you are watching YouTube videos, streaming on Netflix, or just scrolling through social media, the visuals are sharp, bright, and smooth. The high refresh rate makes every swipe feel silky, giving you that premium flagship-like experience at a much lower price. The camera setup is another big highlight of the Infinix Zero 30. On the back, you get a stylish camera module capable of capturing detailed and crisp photos. Portraits, landscapes, and even night photography look amazing with balanced colors and clarity. On the front, the selfie camera is designed with content creators in mind. If you are into vlogging or making social media reels, this phone gives you professional-level selfies and videos without needing an extra camera. When it comes to performance, the Infinix Zero 30 does not disappoint. Powered by a strong processor, it handles multitasking, heavy apps, and gaming with ease. Switching between apps is seamless, games run smoothly, and overall day-to-day performance feels fast and reliable. This phone is clearly built for people who want style and performance together, without paying the heavy flagship price tag. Battery life is also impressive. With a large battery, the Infinix Zero 30 easily lasts through a full day of use. From browsing to gaming to streaming, you don't need to worry about charging again and again. And when you finally do need to charge, the fast charging support makes sure you get hours of backup in just a short time. That means less waiting and more using. Overall, the Infinix Zero 30 offers a premium combination of design, display, performance, camera quality, and battery life. It is perfect for anyone who wants a stylish, modern smartphone that looks expensive, works smoothly, and still fits within a reasonable budget. So friends, if you are looking for a smartphone that gives you premium vibes without breaking your wallet, the Infinix Zero 30 is a great option to consider. And before we wrap up this video, if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to subscribe to ProMonk channel. Every single day we bring you the latest smartphone designs, reviews, and tech updates. Your support means everything to us, so hit that subscribe button and stay connected for more amazing content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and Allah Hafiz.